Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Monday, December 10th. There are quite a few announcements for today. So teachers, just to let you know that the book fair preview is happening in the art and music room. So you can go through that area today to preview the book fair. And boys and girls, if you need or want to purchase anything, the biggest and best time to kind of get those things are at the holiday dinner, which is scheduled for tomorrow, which is Tuesday. So if you come to the holiday dinner for tomorrow, the book fair will be open. That'll be the time, the best time to kind of buy your books. Also, just to let you know, we are doing a donation drive for pennies for the food pantry here in Belvedere. So they'll be getting information about that. So students, you can bring in your pennies, and then those pennies will be donated then to the food pantry to buy food then for people in need. For December birthdays, we do not have any birthdays for today to announce, but we have quite a few birthdays coming up this week. So there'll be lots of announcements coming up for birthdays this week. For lunch choices, we have corn dog, orange chicken with rice, or some butter and jelly sandwich. And for our pause today, we have some students here from our first grade class who are going to go through some of the things about keeping a positive attitude and showing respect.
All right, boys and girls, for our pause for this week, we have from some first grade students from Mrs. Midget's class, and they have some examples of things of being positive attitude and showing respect.
No pushing. No ripping up papers that they make. Be kind at all times.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, boys and girls. I appreciate that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much. And boys and girls, just remember the choices are yours today, so make sure that you make some great choices. And we'll be looking to see how well everybody does for today, and making sure that you go through the book fair so you can choose out some books so that you can get some possibly for Christmas. Have a great day.